What we did just now was extra. I mean, it was really good. Let me move my camera. Cable up a couple inches because you're go to the right if you got any to the right. All right, hold on. I'm gonna have to sling something. Yeah, it'll sweep past. It'll be okay. I slung that one in case it broke off and fall down on the gutter. So you can do whatever you want. You're clear of it all. Okay, so YouTube audience, you may have noticed this very snazzy Monkey Beaver 2.0 harness. This is a bark pattern, it's called, and actually Evan designed it in the Monkey Beaver office. So the deal is with this harness is it's for a guy named Denzel Lowry in South Africa. Shout out to Denzel. And the customs kill him on importing things, so he wanted me to use it so that we could send it used, and then a used item won't carry the same customs ding. So that's what we're doing here. We're using a harness for this job, and we're going to send it out to you, Denzel. Enough for now. By the way, this is the new Panther by Sumara. So this is an 18-inch bar, quarter pitch, so it has it's very narrow and it has very little drag. Makes a small curve. And this saw has plenty of power to run an 18 with this thin little chain, so it cuts really nice. This is a good quality bar. kidding. Good thing you brought me out for this one, Damien, or you would have been stumped. Slowly boom up. Yeah, perfect. Just keep moving up. Thanks, man. I hope this uses the harness enough for you, Denzel. This should be a pretty good test for the 18-inch Panther setup, because this is a pretty beefy pick. The last one was a little bit big, but I think it can be done. It's got the power, and we're about to find out. We have Panther kits at monkeybeaver.com for Echo, Husky, and STIHL right now. So that is an awesome saw. Thank you, Joe Johnson. But you see how that cut? Look how perfect the cut is. These are good bars and chains and very little drag. This is amazing.
August, look this way. I'm trying to impress our crowd.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Good to see you again.
That's all I needed.